Now, with a very first start, I would like to call on stage our special guest of honor. I would request Mr. Kuldeep Mehta, sir, Assistant Director, Education Department, Government of Haryana, to please share his valuable thoughts.
All esteemed guests of this summit, I first of all would like to thank the organizers to giving me such an honor. I'm really thanks once again. It's a really honor to be a guest of honor in such kind of summits where education is at the center stage. Of course, basically I am a teacher. I am physics lecturer, and presently I am working as assistant director, and I have worked in the education department at various positions. But to the near of my heart is the teaching work which I have done in my 35 years of this service in the education department. I've heard many of the teachers were sharing their good experiences with the students they have. I do have such kind of experiences, and we all feel proud of ourselves when our students someday meet us by saying, "Sir, what I am is by virtue of you." We all feel very honored. No other happiness is more than this for a teacher. My father, who also retired as headmaster, throughout his life, he was very good teacher. I'm really proud of him. And of course, I always pay my respect to my teachers who have made me to reach at such a stage. I can never forget this. Sorry. So, only my just one humble request would be to all the esteems gathering here, that we all say the children should be at the center stage. Are we really providing them the environment where they are at the center stage? Their creative instincts are promoted. This is the big challenge. Or we are just saying that whatever teachers or their seniors are telling them is the final. They don't have to think creatively to some other this side where they think. Their imaginations can fly anywhere where they think. It's a big question mark. I think to some extent we are killing their creativity in the schools. We are restricting them to the knowledge that we know. I mean to say, the senior teachers or the scientists which they have discovered is the final truth. But is it so? In our physics, there are two Nobel Prize winners. Mr. Thomson, who discovered electron as a particle. He got Nobel Prize. But later on, his own son proved that my father was wrong and the electron is a wave. He also got Nobel Prize. So in physics or in other sciences also, a theory at some time may be true. But who knows, the student of That teacher may prove that my teacher told me this, but this was not correct. Maybe at that time. So we should give our students ample space to tell them frequently whatever they feel. They should come out. Sometimes our students are wrong. So we must tell them, of course, your answer is good, but if this way we proceed, then it may give us good fruits. We should encourage them to come out with their ideas. So this is my request when we are discussing today. We may give some which are ideas about this, if I am correct. So I once again thank you, the esteemed audience, for gathering here and would share their experiences. And of course, nowadays the EdTech has gone very far. In our time when we were studying, not ample these equipments were there. Our teacher used to teach science, biology, and in 40 minutes of time, just a figure was done by the time 20 was. But this time we have lot of this good software equipments where we can give our students a very good information. Rather, we should become a facilitator. The students now have very good resources wherein they can study. We have to guide them for this purpose. So once again, I thank you, the organizers, and you all for giving me this honor. Thank you very much.